Hey everyone, and welcome back to Handiworks. Today is a special day because we're starting a new lesson designed just for beginners. We're going to learn 10 essential embroidery stitches, from the very basic to some more advanced ones. This is a complete lesson to help you start your journey in hand embroidery and build your skills with confidence. To get started, I've prepared my hoop with this lovely brown cotton fabric. These will be our guides for each stitch. I've already drawn 10 parallel lines with about a 1-inch gap between each one. I've also fixed my hoop onto a stand, which is great for keeping the video steady, but don't worry, a stand isn't necessary. Just prepare your hoop and you can start stitching easily. I'm using this light pink floss thread. First, I gently pull one strand out from the bundle, then another, until I have just 4 strands to work with. I'll use these 4 strands to stitch my running stitch. A quick word for all beginners. Don't worry about being left-handed or right-handed. Just follow my needle, relax your shoulders, and hold your needle gently. Everyone has their own style and rhythm, so just focus on making smooth, calm movements. With a little practice, you'll be stitching perfectly. To stitch it, simply weave your needle in and out of the fabric. The running stitch is perfect for creating simple lines, outlines, or for gathering fabric. It's the foundation of so many other stitches. Next up is the back stitch. This stitch creates a strong, solid line perfect for outlining or text. Beige floss. To stitch it, bring your needle up, then take a full stitch backward, inserting your needle where your last stitch ended. Just continue stitching backward in this manner. Remember to relax and hold your needle gently. A soft grip helps you create smooth stitches. Try to keep the space between each stitch consistent. This is what helps your line look neat and even. Our third stitch is the split stitch using blue threads. This stitch creates a beautiful braided looking line. This can be a little tricky at first, so just take your time to make sure your needle goes right through the middle of the previous thread bundle. Fourth on our list is the stem stitch, and I'm using this elegant gold floss. It's perfect for creating smooth flowing lines, just like a plant stem. The key to this stitch is that your needle always comes up on the same side of the working thread. For this stitch, when your needle goes back down through the fabric, you can press the needle with your finger from the back and guide it back up. Practice this method and you'll be stitching easily and smoothly in no time. Our fifth stitch is the amazing chain stitch. This is a wonderful stitch that creates a bold linked line. To stitch it, you bring your needle up, then form a loop with your thread. Insert your needle back down through the exact same hole and then bring it up again a short distance away inside the loop you made. This creates a chain link. It's an easy and incredibly versatile stitch. As you're stitching, just try to maintain the same gap between every single stitch. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in the final look of your work. Next is our sixth stitch, the coral stitch, with orange floss. This stitch creates a beautiful knotted line. You can do this stitch vertically from top to bottom or bottom to top. The key is that the knots fall between a trail of straight stitches. This stitch is fantastic for creating textured lines and is often used to make beautiful stem patterns in embroidery. Our seventh stitch is an easy one, couching stitch. I'm using two needles and two colors of floss here. You lay one thread on the surface of the fabric and then use a second thread and needle to tack it down with small stitches. This technique is perfect for adding thick lines or textures without having to pull bulky threads through your fabric. It's simple to do and looks so elegant. We're almost there. Our eighth stitch is the heavy chain stitch. This is a bolder version of the regular chain stitch. It creates a much thicker, more prominent chain, perfect for strong outlines. A great tip for all your stitches is to keep your thread organized and untangled. And remember, the more you practice these stitches, the easier they will get. Now for our ninth stitch, the Portuguese knotted stem stitch. This stitch creates a rich textured line with little knots that twist around your working thread. I'm working on this stitch from top to bottom. The key is to make a simple back stitch. Then for the decorative knots, you'll bring your needle under the previous stitch, wrapping the thread around your needle twice to create two small knots. The motion is almost like a zigzag, and it gives a beautiful rope-like effect. Watch how the needle passes behind the thread to form those little knots. It's a fantastic way to add dimension to your lines. As you're stitching, just try to maintain the same gap between every single stitch. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in the final look of your work. And now we've come to our final stitch of this lesson, the scroll stitch. This stitch creates a lovely swirling line that looks just like its name. You should be so proud. You've just learned 10 different embroidery stitches, progressing from the most basic to some more unique and advanced ones. It's a great finishing touch for our lesson. You did it. We've stitched all 10 of our stitches now. This lesson is a great stepping stone to building your skills and confidence. I hope you feel encouraged to continue practicing hand embroidery. You've got this. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and follow Handiworks for more creative adventures. Happy stitching!